चन्द्रभालं महादैत्यकालं नमो नीलकायं दुरावारमायं सुपद्मा सहायं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम् सदा बोधिवासं कलत्पुष्पहासं जगत्सन्निवासं सदा नित्यपालम्.
We, Department of Psychiatry, and in collaboration with the Department of Maxillofacial Surgery, ENT, Pulmonary Medicine, and Dr. M.E. Shetty, College of Social Work, Mangalore, today we are observing the day World No Tobacco Day. Why this World Tobacco Day is very much concerned for this era. This year's theme is protecting the children from the tobacco industry interference. You could have observed that we see lot of advertisements in the TV or in the Facebook, X, Meta, or whatever the social media. Or now I think it will creep into the WhatsApp and your messages also.
Children from the tobacco industry interference, it marks a very significant thought process from WHO, because as highlighted by Dr. Srinivas Bhatt sir, although we do all this type of programs, but my young dear friends, this will be effectively implemented, and it will be effective only if each one of us take a pledge either to stop somebody or discourage somebody, whoever is getting into this particular world of this particular habits. So I wouldn't like to take much of the time, but my dear colleagues, those who are there with me on this stage, definitely we know the sorrows of the families, those who suffer from the ill effects of this tobacco, whether it is in the lungs or the throat or in the mouth. We day in, day out, we come across an humongous amount of patients wherein, although we are doctors, but needless to say, we were sorry that we are not in a position to help them in any way. Yeah, it is just, we are just prolonging their life, but there is no quality of life and things like that. But so, my dear friends, I request each one of you to take a pledge, take an oath, to see to it that we will try our maximum to reduce this effects of tobacco in our society. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. So, as a part of this program, we will be participating in oral screening, cancer screening program. Thank you, my dear friends, for coming and address same here.
ಪಾಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಮೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು 1 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಯುವ ಜನರು ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು?
ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಊರು.
ಏನ್ರಿ ಈ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಮಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದ್ರೂ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಈ ಗುಟ್ಟ ತಂಬಾಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಂತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. 4 ಗಂಟೆ ನಶೆನೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಬಿಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಒಳಗೋಗು ಮಾರೈತಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಮಗಳು 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 ದೊಡ್ಡವಳಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಂತ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ್ರೆ, ನನ್ ಗಂಡನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತಗೋ ತಗೋ.
ಬೇಡ, ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಕನಸು
ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ರೇ ಮೂರ್ಖ, ಏನು ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರು ನೀನ್ಯಾರು?
ನಾನು ಯಾರೇ? ನಾನೇ ತಂಬಾಕು ವ್ಯಸನ.
ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾವ ನಿನ್ನ ಮರೆತು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರ, ಚಡ್ಡ ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾರ, ನಿನ್ನ ಸುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕುತ್ತಾರ. ಮನೋದಯ ಲೋಕ ಪಡೆಯುವುದು, ಮಾನವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಕಾಣುವುದು. ಧೂಮಪಾನದಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಧೂಮಪಾನ ಮಾಡುವವರಿಂದ ದೂರವಿರಿ. ಧೂಮಪಾನ ಚಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾದವರಿಗೆ ನುರಿತ ತಜ್ಞರಿಂದ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದು.
Dr. M. V. Shetty Institutions, Mangaluru. Empowering dreams and achieving greatness since 1985. Dr. M. V. Shetty College prides itself in its history of 38 years. It undertook path-breaking initiatives in Indian higher education with the introduction of innovative and modern curricula, insistence on academic discipline, imparting of holistic education, and adoption of global higher education practices with the support of creative and dedicated staff. First private college in Karnataka offering diverse healthcare programs, offers you multiple of courses. Dr. M. V. Shetty Institutions is a nurturing ground for an individual's holistic development to make effective contribution to the society in a dynamic environment. Dr. M. V. Shetty Institutions, Kavu Road, Vidyanagar, Mangaluru, Karnataka 575013. Contact 0824 248 1048, 0824 248 1096. Website www.mvshettycolleges.edu.in.